The 2026 Thor Palazzo Motorhome continues to represent a strong balance between luxury, drivability, and value in the diesel pusher segment. Designed for travelers who want premium comfort without stepping into ultra-high-end pricing, the Palazzo feels refined, modern, and purpose-built for long-distance touring. Its presence on the road is confident, with clean exterior lines and thoughtful engineering that appeals to both new and experienced RV owners. Built on a Freightliner XC Series chassis, the Thor Palazzo 2026 offers a smooth and stable driving experience. The rear diesel engine delivers consistent power for highway cruising, mountain climbs, and towing needs, while the air suspension system absorbs road imperfections effectively. Drivers will appreciate the predictable handling and reduced fatigue during long drives, making it suitable for extended journeys. Under the hood, the Palazzo is powered by a Cummins diesel engine that provides strong torque and dependable performance. This engine is well known for its durability and efficiency, giving owners peace of mind when traveling across states or regions. Fuel economy remains respectable for its class, helping reduce operating costs over time compared to larger diesel pushers. The exterior design of the 2026 Palazzo feels both stylish and functional. Full-body paint options enhance its premium appeal, while large pass-through storage compartments make it easy to carry camping gear, tools, and personal items. Automatic leveling jacks and power awnings add convenience, allowing owners to set up camp quickly and comfortably. Inside, the Thor Palazzo impresses with a well-coordinated interior that blends modern textures with warm tones. The layout is open and inviting, creating a residential feel that makes extended stays more enjoyable. High-quality materials, LED lighting, and large windows contribute to a bright and airy atmosphere throughout the living space. The living area is designed for relaxation and entertainment. Comfortable seating, often including theater-style recliners or a sofa, faces a large TV and integrated sound system. Whether watching movies, hosting guests, or simply unwinding after a day on the road, the space feels practical without being cramped. The kitchen in the 2026 Palazzo is fully equipped for real-world cooking needs. Solid-surface countertops, a residential-style refrigerator, a convection microwave, and a multi-burner cooktop make meal preparation easy and efficient. Ample cabinetry and pantry space ensure that longer trips do not require constant restocking. Dining arrangements are flexible and thoughtfully placed, allowing for comfortable meals whether traveling solo or with family. The dinette or freestanding table setup provides enough space for dining, work, or casual activities, making the motorhome adaptable to different lifestyles and routines. The bedroom area delivers a calm and private retreat. A comfortable bed, generous wardrobe storage, and overhead cabinets help maintain organization on extended trips. The quiet operation of the diesel engine, positioned at the rear, enhances nighttime comfort and overall relaxation. The bathroom setup in the Thor Palazzo 2026 is practical and well finished. A spacious shower, quality fixtures, and sufficient storage allow for daily comfort without compromise. Ventilation and lighting are well managed, ensuring the space remains fresh and functional. Technology is a strong point in the Palazzo, with modern control systems that simplify operation. Touchscreen panels allow owners to manage lighting, climate, tanks, and power systems easily. Backup and side view cameras improve safety, while driver assist features enhance confidence behind the wheel. Climate control and insulation make the Palazzo suitable for a variety of weather conditions. Efficient heating and cooling systems maintain a comfortable interior temperature, while quality insulation helps reduce noise and improve energy efficiency during both hot summers and cool evenings. Overall, the 2026 Thor Palazzo Motorhome stands out as a smart choice for travelers seeking diesel power, upscale comfort, and practical design at a reasonable price point. It delivers dependable performance, a well-appointed interior, and user-friendly features that make life on the road enjoyable, whether for weekend getaways or full-time RV living.